Behind every no good man there is a woman, and she loves him, loves him, loves him as he does her wrong. Well, no matter what he tries, she'll stand with him by his side. She loves him, loves him, loves him, be it right or wrong. Behind every lonely woman there is a man, and he tells her what she wants to understand. Hello? Hi, Mia. How you doing? All we did was they gave us a key, and you plug it into the side of the computer, and the key loads everything. Yeah, it's just yeah. Radio Shack or Best Buy. Best Buy, I bet you, has a better selection. I got a Cisco. But you know, and Jay said Cisco was good. Thanks. Love you, man.